给你们仔细细。
Give me your paw. Give me your paw.
Daddy, look at your cat.
Ой! Ты ебанулся? Сынок! Блядь, кипящая...
Oh my gosh, that sleepy face is ridiculously.
Does anyone have any advice?
I wonder what the cat is thinking. It's looking at the stuffed dog like it's actually alive.
Girly Pop, what's wrong? What? Baby girl, what's going on? Oh! Oh! Oh!
Дима спасает нас от потопа.
Обалдеть! 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 Вот ты... Ой!
That look says it all. Why are you up there without carrying me with you?
That was a good howl.
At first, he was all shy. Just a few minutes later, he
A Bibi confusão aí, ó. Ai, que tá arrumando.
Hello everyone. Today I will tell you a story. The story is titled, The Great Dogcation Adventure. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you appreciate me. You can skip this if you don't like this video. Thank you very much. The story begins as follows. One sunny morning, as the birds chirped happily outside, I was sipping my coffee when my mom called me excitedly. Guess what? We're going on a vacation and your dog, Max, is coming too. Max, my fluffy golden retriever, perked up his ears at the word vacation. He had no idea what a vacation was, but his tail wagged furiously, as if he knew something wonderful was about to happen. For weeks, Max and I had shared our usual routine: morning walks, playtime in the park, and naps by the window. But now, things were about to change. The house buzzed with packing suitcases, snacks, toys, and a special doggy backpack filled with Max's favorite treats and chew toys. Max was curious but calm, sitting beside my suitcase, as if volunteering to guard it. You ready for an adventure, buddy? I asked, scratching behind his ears. He gave me a happy bark in reply. The night before our trip, Max couldn't sleep. He kept pacing around, sniffing the bags, and occasionally jumping on the bed for a cuddle. I promised him that tomorrow would be the start of the greatest adventure ever, a real dogcation. The next morning, the car was packed and ready. Max hopped into his travel seat, tail wagging like a windshield wiper. The windows were rolled down just enough for him to catch the fresh breeze without risking his ears flapping too wildly. As we drove away from the city, Max's eyes sparkled with wonder. Trees, fields, and blue skies replaced the gray buildings. He leaned his head out a little to sniff the air, new smells, fresh and exciting. After a few hours, we arrived at a cozy cabin near a big lake surrounded by trees. Max jumped out of the car and immediately explored the yard, sniffing every corner, chasing butterflies, and rolling in the grass like it was a giant green carpet made just for him. We took a long walk around the lake. Max discovered his new favorite game, splashing in the shallow water and trying to catch the tiny fish that darted just out of reach. His goofy grin and wet fur made everyone smile. At night, we sat by a campfire. I roasted marshmallows while Max dozed on a blanket beside me, dreaming about the day's fun. The stars twinkled above, and I whispered, "This is the best dogcation ever." Every day was packed with new adventures. Max tried hiking up little hills, sniffing out secret trails, and meeting other dogs. He was the happiest dog I'd ever seen. His tail never stopped wagging. One afternoon, we visited a dog-friendly beach. Max ran like crazy through the sand, chasing waves and burying his paws in the soft shore. He even made a new friend, a playful beagle named Daisy. The two of them wrestled, ran, and shared sticks like old pals. Back at the cabin, Max loved lounging on the porch with a cool breeze ruffling his fur. He watched the sunset, a content smile on his face, while I took pictures to remember every moment. On our last day, Max sat quietly by the window, his eyes reflecting a little sadness that the dogcation was ending. But I promised him there would be many more adventures, because every summer, Max and I would make time for our special getaway. As we packed up to leave, Max gave one last joyful bark and a big tail wag. I knew that this great dogcation adventure wasn't just a holiday, it was a memory we would both cherish forever.